Most Discord servers don't die because they can't get members. They die because nobody stays active. Today I'm going to give you the exact system that I use to build active, self-sustaining communities without spending hours a day managing them. And yes, you can start this even if your server is tiny. Let's begin. Hey everyone, I'm Matthew, also known as TwistyT from InfiniTea. I build gaming communities and tools that automate community engagement. If you're a running server, whether it's for gaming, creators, or product, this is going to be a blueprint that helps keep communities alive long term. See, the real problem is this. Growth isn't the issue, retention is. Most servers look like this one here. Empty channels, last message months ago, last message weeks ago, or still months ago, and probably recent announcements. No, the last announcement for this server was also months ago. And then silence. No further updates. We can fix that by focusing on systems, not activity. So the first step is going to be your onboarding. Onboarding that doesn't suck. When someone joins your server, you've got about 10 to 30 seconds to convince them to stay. Most servers dump new members into absolute chaos. A wall of text, 20 channels, 10 roles, no direction. Instead, give them a single landing point, a clear message, and something to do immediately, now, here. Guide your members. Don't just greet them with an introduction bot. You need to guide them. In our case, we use InfiniTea's echo rules when the user first starts to direct them to a particular genre-specific grouping of channels. For example, if they pick up the ARPG role, we then show them this channel, and then they can go here and use our onboarding join quest to fill out a form and get approval. And then once that is done, they're then guided directly to where they need to be. They're not going to be inundated with all of the other channels that they don't care about or the things that they have no interest in. They can have singularly focused experience that is customized for them. So that's the first step. Make sure that your onboarding is simple, clear, and easy to follow. Step 2, engagement loops. If your community only talks when you start the conversation, you're going to burn out. A real engagement loop looks like this. There's an action, then a reward, visibility, status, and then repeat. So some examples of this would be our XP system in InfiniTea. But a lot of different bots offer this. XP systems are nothing new, but they vary in different features and functionality. So I encourage you to dive into whatever works for you and your community. The first thing that you'll notice is we have public visibility for all of the activity where somebody might level up. We've got these fun messages that keep people engaged. There's also a public leaderboard channel. People love to compete on these leaderboards. Furthermore, there's this beautiful leaderboard that this bot offers, where people can compete with each other across a myriad of different activity types: message activity, reaction activity, reputation, and various different things like that. These are visible things that you can incorporate very easily with minimal oversight that will help improve your community engagement and create an engagement loop. This gets people talking, and they'll talk because there's momentum. And then when one person talks, another replies, and so forth. Your next step is to social proof. And what is social proof? Well, that means creating channels that are not dead space. A lot of servers have dead channels. Like you can see Path of Exile 2 right now is pretty dead in our community, but anytime an update comes out, you can go up here and look, and you'll see it starts to get very popular very quickly. So how do you do this? You can show visible activity. You're going to want to make your top contributors have some sort of reward, give community highlights, public welcomes, or visible events. So you'll see that we've got public events, and we make sure all of our events are publicly visible at all times. Humans are going to copy what others humans are doing. So make any activity as visible as you can. Also, another fun fact is we use our voice channels to show activity. All of our voice channels are always public, no matter whether somebody has the role to see the category or not. That's a really easy way to ensure that there's social proofing. Finally, if everything requires manual effort, you're going to quit. Instead, you want to automate your announcements, auto-archive dead channels, schedule content drops, automate onboarding in your roles. A great community is designed, not micromanaged. You'll never micromanage your community into being active. So, everything that I've talked about can be done manually. I built InfiniTea because I got tired of duct taping 20 different bots together, and instead InfiniTea automates onboarding, engagement loops, analytics, events, all into one beautiful cohesive package. So, tell me in the comments, what system should I break down next? Onboarding, engagement loops, analytics, or automated content and events? Whichever gets the most comments, I'll make that video next. Like if this helped, subscribe for more community building strategy, and I'll see you in the next one.